So let's say we are writing G again, and during defining itself, we are decorating it with F. Now if we call G with 1 and 2, it does the same thing as FG 1, 2. All right. Any questions so far? Am I being clear? Okay. So that was the thing about decorator. What a decorator does is it wraps your function with some other functionality, with its own functionality. All right. So here, it wrapped your function G with its functionality that was printing before and printing after. So your function was wrapped between before and after, right? Those two functionalities. So that's basically the point of a decorator. Now, there's one more concept. Let's say this is dfg, all right? Now, if we print the d dot name, we print the name of the function, then what we should get? What should be the name of the function? Should be G. I mean, we want it to be G, the function that is getting passed, because that is what we are going to return, right? But what actually gets printed is a wrapper. Why? Because this is the function that is going to get run, right? Wrapper. That's what getting run. That is what is getting run. Now, so, but in most of the cases, we want the name to be G, right? Because we are running on G. We are decorating G. We are not decorating wrapper. We don't even know what a wrapper is. Okay. So, for that, Python has an inbuilt functools.wraps. Okay. So it just wraps the function and it copies all the metadata of that function into this, like docstrings, the name. So if we are going to call to get the docstring of G, so we will not be able to get that in the upper example. So now, functools.wraps is also decorator. So what it does is it copies it. Okay. So now if we call it dfg, now d dot name, sorry, there would be a double underscore after that. So that would print G. Alright? The name would be G. Now if we use if we wanted to get the docstring underscore doc underscore, so that would be it. Right? Now why use decorators? So simplifies the action of logic. I could give you an example later. Okay. So, and of course, don't repeat yourself all that stuff either, and it makes your life easier. Now, decorators with arguments. What if you wanted to pass an argument to a decorator, right? We had f. Now, what if you wanted to pass something, it prints before and after. If you wanted to do something else, let's say you wanted to print the sum of two numbers that you wanted to pass by yourself for this function, right? So it would be printing f a comma b, or let's say you passed a message logging G with this, and you wanted it to print logging G prints then 3, then again logging G, whatever, right? So for that you would be passing a parameter to f, right? Because it would be different for every function that you want to run your message. So what we are doing is this is how we are going to do it. There is a decorator and you just pass. This is the syntax. We will be implementing it in the next slide. So you pass the message, then f print yellow. So prints whatever your message was, okay, my message, and then it prints yellow. So how we are going to implement it? There is one more level of, there's one more function above it, right? So what it does is it accepts an argument, the top one, right? F and the G. Whatever is the message that you wanted to pass, then it goes to def inner. The inner function, the inner function, the name inner, it accepts a function, alright? Now what it does is, now it again has a wrapper, it's the same thing as other decorators. The only difference was the top one, alright? Now because message is in the same, not in the same scope, but in the including scope, the namespace, so it will get returned, alright? Now we return function, return w wrapper order, and then return the function, right? Now, what could be the uses? let's say we wanted to log something, right? Here, this one. There's a, let's say you have a method where you are doing something, and then what you wanted to do was to log it. I mean, let's say you have a decorator at log, right? You have a decorator log, so you call it at log, and you have a specific message for this method. When this method gets run, this particular log message will be printed, right? So you just pass this, you call a decorator, I mean, pass the message, and then you get it logged, right? You don't have to write your logging mechanism every single time. Just define it in that function. Right? So, and of course, authentication in most cases, if you are using I will be talking about some framework. Let's say you have a request object from somewhere in a web framework, and then you can, in your whatever view you have, you can just decorate your view with it, with a decorator, and then you can perform all your authentication and authorization on the decorator itself, and then just decorate your view with it, right? And of course, timing code, call the time before running a function and after running a function. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Any questions? Actually, you can decorate classes. I was not covering this. I mean, sorry. Decorate class. No, there are class decorators. So actually, because these are all objects, you can decorate.
Could you give some examples of some built-in decorators? Okay. Could you give some examples for built-in decorators that are useful?
Built-in decorator, I used one here. This one, I guess. Functools or traps. Yeah. This was an example. So it just takes a function and then it does whatever it has to do. I mean, just take the doc string. I mean, whatever the metadata was, name, doc, these things. So, what kind of example?
What does it do, the functool or traps?
Yeah, functool.traps, like I showed you in the example, right? Dot__name. So if it were not here, then it would print the name W. Right? If this decorator were not here, if I asked for the name, it would be W. Right? But I don't want it to be W. I don't even know what W is. Right? I'm just a user of this decorator. I just know the name F. Right? All I will be doing is write at F. I don't know what doc string it has, but my own function, the function that I am trying to decorate, G, alright, has doc string. Whenever I call _doc, I want that doc, and I want that. So what it does is it copies, all that data.
Namespace, the complete namespace.
Not namespace, the data about that function. So that's what it does. Any more questions?